Good evening, everyone. My name is Alexis Hankerson, and this is my presentation on fatty liver disease among people in Georgia. So I just wanted to give a little introduction background for liver disease. I know liver disease is kind of common, but some people I feel like don't really know what liver disease really entails. So liver disease is a damage to the liver to prevent it from functioning. Liver disease affects more than 3 million U.S. cases per year. Most common type of liver disease is fatty liver, and liver disease risk factors include obesity, alcohol consumption, and physical activity. So the community that is going to be part of my program is people in Georgia. So Georgians have approximately 31.6% of adults that are obese. Georgia is placed 24th as having the highest rank in the country of people that are obese. And 6.9% of Georgians have heavy drinking problems. So health community strategies that I'm going to be using in my program and my theories are advertising, social health marketing, and education. So my first theory is the theory of planned behavior, which has 4 different components. One of the components is perform objectives, attitude towards behavior, subjective norms, and preserve behavior control. In my first row, it's going to be talking about participants trying to get sober. So individuals want to cut down on alcohol intake for the performance objectives. Attitude towards behavior has a positive attitude to become sober and having a healthy liver. Some subjective norms. Friends and family state that being sober is very important. Preserve behavior control. The individual has explained that he wants to stop drinking. And then for my physical activity group, this is going to be my second row. For the performance objectives, the individual says that he is ready to exercise 3 times a week. Attitude towards behavior, he is looking at exercise tapes at home, getting more motivation. Subjective norms, family is giving positive attitude towards exercising and going to the gym with him. Preserve behavioral control, the individual has expressed that he is able to exercise 3 times a week or more. And then my second model that I was using is social ecological model. It has the I, family, relational, community / peers, social culture. So the I is the individual does not want to drink anymore. The family is the family takes the individual to the AA meetings, and the family is very supportive. Relational, the AA supporters the AA sponsor to help with the disease. So the AA is supposed to pretty much educate them, be their support team throughout this process. Individuals has a partner that motivates them to work to stop drinking. Community peers, community centers that help individuals get jobs, posters around the community to show how dangerous it is to continue drinking, show them that it could lead to liver damage. For the social and culture, it increases the taxes for alcohol so they cannot afford it. Advertisement on how important it is to be sober, how individuals' liver last longer when they are living a healthier lifestyle. And for the physical activity group, the individual has a fear of getting liver disease. For the I, family, the family is helping to support the individual by getting rides and money to join the local gyms. Relational, not enabling the individual by giving money and to support habit. The gym instructor is giving the participant the motivation to keep coming. Community / peers, free gym membership for individuals that have joined the gym for the first time. And for the social and culture, insurance is giving return money for people that are exercising, free TVs to exercise groups. And this is my references. Again, my name is Alexis Hankerson. Thank you so much for your time and watching my video. I hope you guys have a good rest of your evening. Take care.